There are many ways to stop a case dead in its tracks and get the case dismissed just like this. Most attorneys don't know this, and if they do, they don't do it. Why? Most attorneys get paid thousands to argue a case, so why would they do this just to make a few $100s? And the gurus? Well, they're simply teaching people to file their documents and argue the case. All the gurus are doing the same thing, teaching you to study, learn, and file documents. But with their different ideas and twists, hoping that by arguing the case, that this document or that document will work. They are never seeing the gap, so they're all missing it. That's why nothing works. And that's why I held this live training event to begin with. Frankly, I'm tired of seeing that people are unnecessarily struggling with court cases. Arguing a court case is exhausting and tiring, countless hours of studying, the time it takes to go back and forth to court, the worry, all of it would just drain the life out of anyone. And all for what? When you can simply control the court to get what you want? This gap is your insurance policy. So why gamble with the outcome? Control it. In fact, this is the first time I have held any private conference training call that was open to the public in over 5 years. And I have absolutely no intentions of doing another live training private conference call publicly again. This training is that important. Unfortunately, for those people who insist on searching and researching for free information, believing they'll get something that's doable and actually works, suffer the most, and so do their families. They are the same people that pay the highest cost in society. That mindset just doesn't work. But hey, maybe you could care less about listening to this live event training replay. Maybe you're so involved in your court case that you cannot take 4+ hours to listen to it. I get it, so skip it. But here's what you need to know. When you access this replay, you get the foundation the gurus don't know, plus access to what I used before my status correction, special court strategies that actually work. This includes strategies from a seasoned attorney with over 40 years of experience, the 3 ways to avoid answering complaints, how to give the court somewhere to hang his hat, and motion strategies that work routinely. This fills the gap that's been keeping people stuck. I may remove this offer at any time without notice. Note, he who waits loses. So get access to this live event training replay now. You can thank me later